Hi everyone, welcome back to Inspire with Naima. I'm so happy to tell you this that I am joining India's biggest craft brand, Dress My Craft, as DMC Gems in their Gems team.
Naima, and today I'm going to unbox this whole kit which I received from Dress My Craft. Yes, this is my first gems kit from Dress My Craft for the month February, and I have already unboxed this because I couldn't control my excitement. Because stay tuned for all the gems kit which I'm going to receive, because I'm going to share my haul with you all. So yeah, let's unbox this first. So this beautiful box contains all the beautiful elements, as you can see. So let's see one by one. This is the first item of the kit, and the box is so pretty. Just look at this and let's see what is inside this box. So yeah, this is the cute sprinkles, and no, it's not sprinkles actually, it's shaker elements, and these are so pretty. Anyone would love to eat this, but these are not edible, but it's look very tempting, and I will definitely make something with this shaker and post a video, so stay tuned for that. These are in purple, pink, yellow, blue, and again something in orange type of yellow, ochre yellow you can say, and this is a mint green, or you can say light green. So these are the shaker elements, and these are very cute. And if you are interested in purchasing this, the link is given in the description box. You can go check it out and click on to the link to purchase this beautiful shaker elements. Next up we have this most popular punches of Dress My Craft. This says a daisy border punches, so this is very nice. I have already used it, and these punches are very nice. Let me show you. Which is this, and this is very pretty, I will say. You can make laces, you can make borders, you can make for explosion box, scrapbooks and cards, for anything you want. And I will definitely ping a video of this, like using this tool, definitely in my next video or upcoming one. So let me see what all this says. So it says the instruction how to use. You have to keep the paper and then press it hard, and you will get something like this. Next, it says that you can use up to 150 to 220 grammage or GSM, and that's all. Okay, next up we have this is a very interesting thing. This is a reactive foil in color golden and silver, and the size is 6 by 18 inches. Okay, I will definitely ping a video of this item and make a tutorial definitely. Then I have received this beautiful bone folder, and the instruction is given over here, how you can use, for what purpose it's for. It's for scoring, definitely it's for scoring, for creasing, for card making, for gluing, for handmade books, and for book binding. And this is very helpful one. So let me open this and show you what is this. The packaging is super cute. This comes in a package of this Ziploc bag, and you can open this like there, and it's definitely heavy in weight, and this is very nice, but it's very sleek and very elegant, and it says Dress My Craft. Okay, the main item of this whole kit is paper pad. This is a Nutty Buddy. If you know Dress My Craft, then you already know that they are famous for their paper pads, and the quality and the prints and their designs are very unique. This paper size is 12 by 12, and the quantity is 24, and 12 designs of each sheet, that is 2 of each. Open this. So let me give you a very nice glimpse of this paper.
if you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.